Yeah, there you go.
Okay, I'm dismounted now. I'm dismounted. I'm gonna force the fight.
Sure.
Fuck.
Go east, go east, ah.
Okay, they already dropped their east.
Okay.
Wait, I'm looking for their one
Now,
shot. Looking for their one shot. They're gonna try and clap, ah.
I'll stop them,
Kaya
I'll
nila.
stop them. Tier 5 healer lang.
Okay, go,
Bobo.
go, go, go now. Go
Madami,
now, go
madami.
now.
Oh, bobo.
Wait, 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 wait,
Ay,
wait, wait.
wala na.
Okay, go, go, go,
Yeah.
go. Fight, fight, fight.
Medical sila.
Healer, what? Tier 5 healer. Tier 5 healer. Guys, tier 5 yung healer.
Yeah. It's Ilya. Healer down, healer down.
Two on me, west. Two on me,
I'm chasing
west. Hello, help. West side, hello.
Okay,
I
I'm
need
chasing,
people.
chasing.
I have people in west. Tier 7. On
Copy,
me.
copy. Just get all the loots. Get all the loots. San
Mount up
yung iba?
Haley. Mount up Haley. Ay, kaya ba?
I'm gonna help the white one here.
Yeah, one is still dismounted here. One is still dismounted.
Okay,
I can't mount up,
nice.
What the hell?
On me,
Right
south.
Ping, ping, ping. Okay, okay. Go to the ping. Go to the ping.
On the road, still dismounted. Two of the guy. Two of them.
Nakuryente, pre.
Tignan nyo,
Pista.
lakas ng loob nyo,
Nice.
One guy got away. He was in Terry. It's their Terry. There's 7 bro.
Nakita niya. Haley? You good? Haley? Come back, Haley.
Makili. Wala yung...
Anong healer, healer?
Oh no.
Oh.
More powerful.
Okay.
More Gucci guys. Sorry, Haley.
Regroup, everyone. Regroup. They all seed now.
No, one guy all-seed on me.
Is guys in combat?
You should die.
Skinning knife. So,
Tier 8 guy on me. On combat. On gate.
Petal, normalin mo lang.
Fuck.
No! Oh my god.
Pull in.
Uy.
Oh, he's here.
Heavy jacket.
No, he zoned now. Oh my god.
Wala na.
Oh, it's dead.
Ah!
I killed him.
Trade.
Oh,
Is it
shit.
combat?
Bro.
Ay, duel.
Ay, meron ko.
I can't take it. Wait, I will zone back.
Ay, duel. Flats.
Wait. Now?
Sige.
Now.
Ay, nag-duel.
Push lang nag-survive.
Yung kay Hailey, ano yung... Ang layo ni Hailey, sorry.
Akala ko, chasing na lang. May humabol pa pala.
Everything crashed on him. What the hell?
Nalutan si Hailey doon, ah.
Yung
nag-drop
bear
yung-
po. Hindi ko napatay.
Nakatakas niya.
Yung
Sana
bear
bear.
ko yung nag-loot.
Well, that was fun. Actually.
Ah, there's 1M here on Hailey.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm overweight. I can't loot.
Lami.
Nakita mo yung gilip. Paano ko kinancel yung push nila.
There's a ping.
Oh my god.
2 minutes.
We will hold for 2 minutes. Sino yung mga gather? Kayang mag-gather nyo na. Clear na natin agad to para may pang-regear tayo.
Tanungin mo muna kung may tool.
Meron.
May pang-gather kayo?
Ayun,
Meron.
We have a healer,
Flat
right?
6 nga lang.
We have Chuck Sila.
Pero may gathering potion ako tiit.
Yung healer nila, di makatakbo eh. Di makatakbo.
Kaya nagumagapang lang.
Instant pa.
Lalakad na lang.
Pinokus ko na yung dalawang DPS nila na high tier eh. Para hindi makala-engage sa inyo.
I'll stay on the